good morning! Morning Kinan! Morning guys! Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman tayo ngayon mga Bisdak, no? At ito yung maaga naming alis ni Kinan mga Bisdak. Alas 5 pa lang ng madaling araw, gising na ako. At ngayon is 5:30 AM. So medyo ito yung pinakamalayo na papuntahan namin ni Kinan mga Bisdak. Papunta kami sa Cecil Hills. Cecil Hills, hindi pa ako nakapunta doon, hindi ako familiar sa lugar. Si Kinan yung naghanap sa bike map. Sabi niya, bro, I think maganda tong Cecil Hills, maganda yung madadaan. Kaya pupuntahan namin bali 20 kilometers papunta doon, pabalik siguro. So mga 40 to 50 kilometers yung tatakbuhan namin. Kasi syempre meron pa kaming dadaanan yan sa mga gilid-gilid. Alright, so samahan niyo kami mga Bisdak sa ating adventure ngayon, no? So yun, meron tayong map, naka-on yung map natin ngayon. Then itong sa gilid, ano to siya mga Bisdak? Train station, yun yun. Train station, ito yung lugar in between sa Merrylands and Guildford. So yun, mostly tulog pa yung mga tao dito mga Bisdak, kasi yun nga, madaling araw pa. Alright, woo! So Guildford station pa siya mga Bisdak. Hello, morning. Alright, that's the Guildford station over there. Alright. Ha. So medyo maganda yung maganda yung condition natin ngayon mga Bisdak. Nag-improve, laki ng improvement ng pagsa-cycle ko kumpara before. Dati ilang kilometer kailangan ko na magpahinga. So dito yung yung taekwondo school ni Gian sa kabilang side, Guildford station. At to be honest mga Bisdak, maraming mga loko-loko in terms of, sorry bro, good morning. Alright, so yun, uphill. Concentrate muna ako kasi uphill. Pahinga lang ako kasi galing kami sa yun, uphill doon, no? We're just taking a rest. Whew. Mga pipes mga kabisdak. Bro, this is for the drainage?
I think so.
Sewage?
I think so.
Laki ng pipe. Oh.
Get Bisdak Oz with it too.
It's like a movie feels here. It's like we're in a movie here.
That's the thing, it's like it's a movie.
Yeah. Alright, so malayo pa tayo mga 17 kilometers pa. Alright, continue natin later. I'm a bit confused with the map.
Let's just give it forward.
Yeah. I'm a bit confused with the map. Wait. Oh yeah, go straight.
Yeah, that's what I think too.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, go straight now. Alright, downhill. Woo! Nice. Right. Dito na sa gilid ko mga dito sa left side. Ano to siya? Yung train railway. Alright.
In 2 kilometers turn left onto Merrylands.
Alright bro, vlog. So papunta to siya sa itong area, papunta sa Fairfield, doon yung nag-birthday si Gian. At dyan ako lagi na naglalaro ng basketball dati, yung ligang Pinoy dito. I think we're going inside the proper cycle way.
I think that's a dead end.
We need to dismount. Say cyclist dismount. Alright, so ito mga ito na siyang designated na bike trot. Hirap magsalita kasi medyo malamig yung hangin. Designated na bike track. Kahapon sobrang init dito, like 30 degrees. Grabe yung init kahapon. Hindi ako makapagtrabaho. Gas. Look at that. Core gas. Industrial talaga wala. Alright. So mga engineers na, mga dito nagtatrabaho. So baka gusto niyo, baka interested kayo mga kabisdak na sumabay sa amin sa pagbabiking. Every Saturday namin ito ginagawa ni Kinan. Mostly madaling araw. So, kami simula 6 AM, ngayon 5:30 AM kami, so medyo malayo. Message kayo mga kabisdak at pwede na sumabay sa amin next time, no? So yun, nagpa-practice pa kami mga kabisdak. Binibuild pa namin yung stamina namin kasi plano namin na i-bike papunta sa Sydney City, dun sa Opera House. So yun, baka in the next few weeks pag medyo nakatch up na namin yung yung hangin namin, yung meron kaming energy or stamina. Alright, industrial pa dito mga kabisdak. Continue ko yung vlog mamaya pag medyo maganda na yung view. You know, Canleville is one of our favorite place now to eat. Lots of shops over there.
Okay.
Thai food.
In Canleyvale?
Yeah, Canley Heights. Yeah. Canleville, Canley Heights.
Love to vlog over here.
Yeah.
Capturing the beauty along this side.
Sobrang haba ng cycle path mga kabisdak. So yun nga, ito na yung pabaybay papunta sa Fairfield kung saan ako naglalaro ng basketball. Nakikita ko to dati ito, tapos yun nga after many years nasubukan ko din siyang i-biking itong cycle path na to. Downhill bro.
Yeah, go.
Go. Nice. Oh yeah, I'm familiar with this one. This is where I normally cross if I go to basketball. Morning. Ganda yung mga bike na road bike ba, no? So downhill bro, downhill. Yeah. This is what I like, downhill. Relax. Wow.
Turn left onto Parramatta to Liverpool Rail Trail.
Oh no. Woo. Wow. Careful bro. Wow, look at that. Look at that, Bisdak. Looks like a horror movie over here.
Yeah.
Look at this. Parang nasa here bro. Look at this apartment here. Parang yung nasa mga murder, horror, zombie yung mga feel dito kasi yung kaya lalaki. Bro, there might be snakes here. Look at this. Yeah, we better go now. Alright, better go bro. Alright, let's go. No, this mga Bisdak. Too much weeds.
Wow.
Here. Oh wow.
Oh wow, are we in Fairfield?
Yeah. What? Look at this apartment. A bit scary, this sign.
Yeah, you got an apartment block right near the station and the...
Oh, you can see McDonald's.
Keep right onto Bisdak Creek Shed.
You can see KFC.
Turn right onto Parramatta to Liverpool Rail Trail.
Yeah. Alright. Sobrang aga pa Bisdak. Sobrang sarap sa feeling mga Bisdak no na magbike ng ganito kaaga, madaling araw. Police station mga Bisdak. Look at the car park bro, it's so nice.
Yeah, it's alright.
The car park over there, that building. See? No, it's not. Fairfield City Central.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Oh, this is a mall. I haven't been here.
I've only been here maybe once.
This side of Fairfield.
Yeah, into the mall. Just once.
Oh, this is good. This is a mall.
Yeah.
There's actually City
It's not-
Central.
Yeah, it doesn't really have much to be honest.
Wow. I haven't been inside.
There's no Kmart or Big W,
Yeah. I've been here many times because this is where I play basketball, the Filipino League. But
Isn't it like a Filipino community in Fairfield?
yeah, there's. This is like a mall. Nice. See, if we didn't do biking, like how many years I've stayed here in Merrylands, Fairfield.
You got loan sharks here too, though. Unsecured loans.
Unsecured loans.
Right. Some loan shark stuff.
So, see, kung hindi tayo nag-bike, hindi natin alam na meron palang mall dito sa, no?
What you'll find in these type of suburbs, like these remittance places, like cash. You can see the place across the road, money transfer.
Yeah.
Just like in Auburn, you'll see that.
So, Fairfield pa rin mga medyo, mabagal kami dito sa Fairfield kasi ang daming paliko-liko. Dumaan kasi sa
Union Street.
city. So, Fairfield pa rin ito siya. Baka Bisdak, no? Torn in the Kenyan Street.
So yeah,
Kenyan Street.
Fairfield, we've made it through.
Yeah, medyo ito yung nakakapag-delay sa amin dito sa Fairfield kasi ang daming paliko-liko. Pero maganda kasi Kenyan Street, this one, okay, here. Kenyan Street, bro. Hindi ko lang na video kanina pero andito pa rin tayo sa isa sa suburb, street dito sa Fairfield, mga kapsag na. So, meron kami nakita mga interesting na bahay, kakaiba. Maganda, merong iba maganda, merong iba nakakatakot, merong iba weird. Ito, maganda siya. Oh, I like this one. Ganda
Turn
ng
left onto Sackville
bahay
Street.
niya.
Then
So,
turn right onto
hindi maganda sa nagbabike din mga kapsda. Nakita, ito parang munisipyo. Municipality of Fairfield na bahay. Ito yan, parang opisina, pang building. Alright. So, yun. So, yun, palabas namin ng Fairfield. Yung next naman is Canleyvale. Napunta kami sa Canleyvale na suburb. Sa Canleyvale, Canley Heights. Yan yung kung saan kami kumakain ni Ami tsaka ni Gian. Yung mga Chinese food, Thai food dun. Right, so cross muna kami. Right. That's can I see you bike. Looks good. No, bro. You can't really tell the difference. Look at my video later on. The size.
Yeah.
Last time, it looks like you're using a bike from a high school, student.
High school special.
This one is the proper fit for you. Also, another suburb, mga Bisdak, here. All right. So, kakaibang bahay. Look at this house.
Yeah, man. But you'll notice that there's a definite Christian Iraqi sort of presence here.
Here. So, nakatapos na kami ng 9 kilometers. We still have 11 kilometers to go.
Alright, it's doable.
Yeah, house. Alright, it's good. It's good mga Bisdak. Nakita natin yung nakita natin yung mga suburb dito sa Fairfield, between Fairfield and Canleyvale na magaganda pala. Alright. So wala pa rin kami sa proper bike track mga Bisdak, no? Yun yung hinahanap namin sana na mayroong bike track kasi delikado pag sa daan. Okay bro, let's go. Go
Situation, yep.
Yeah.
On to Wendon Street.
Alright, so patayin ko muna kasi walang view. Alright, so yun mga Bisdak, continue natin yung suburb cycling, no? Nakaka-amaze mga Bisdak yung mga bahay at pareho kami habang nagbabike kami ng kanyan. Pareho kami na nangangarap. Sabi ko, bro, if we want to buy a house, we want it like this one, we like this house. Kasi si Kenan, wala pa din yan silang bahay mga Bisdak. Nagano pa yan sila. Nagsisave sila mga Bisdak, pero nakaka-amaze sila mag-asawa. Kasi di ba mga Muslim sila. Yung sabi niyo sa akin, sa kanila daw, hindi nila favor yung mangutang, yung interest, especially yung loan interest, ayaw nila. yung ginagawa nila ngayon, nagsisave sila sa stocks, sa bonds, tapos goal nila na makaipon ng malaki para bibili sila ng property in cash na. Ayaw nila ng utang. So yun yung sa kanila. Well, ako sigurado 100% utang.
That's the only way I'd buy property, Ian. Cash only.
Yeah, cash. I'm saying.
Like, I can't get into a big loan. I don't think I can live my life like that.
I'm telling you, bro, that while cycling, we are daydreaming like someday I'll have this house.
Yeah, I
You
know,
know?
right?
It's important to have
You should have goals and dreams, sure.
colorful dreams.
Oh, yeah.
Before I was just dreaming cycling around here. Now, like,
Now you're actually doing it.
yeah.
Like before I dreamed about investing, now I actually do it. You know what I mean?
Before you dream about having a bike, now you're actually riding your bike.
You know how long I've been wanting a bike? At least since 2014 I've wanted a bike. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
How many years is that? 7 years, 8 years.
Did your mom saw your bike?
I told her about it. She hasn't seen it yet, but she'll be surprised, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, you have a vlog.
Yeah, they'll see it.
Yeah. So yun, halfway na kami ni. Halfway na. We made 10 kilometers. You know, so yun, 10 kilometers. So meron pala tayong gloves mga sak, improvement. So, itong saddle nilagyan ko nitong comforter. Tapos ito yung bagong bike ni Kinan.
I've got like a water holder here
So,
right now as well, so
meron din water here also.
time for a water break.
Alright bro, cheers bro.
Cheers.
Pahinga lang kami konti and then continue tayo. Woo! Look at that. Oh, this bird. What's going on? Lots of birds.
Time to out the sunnies.
Alright. So you know that.
In 200 meters turn left, then turn right onto Orphan School Creek Shared Path.
Oh, I like this house too.
Yeah, nice corner block.
Yeah, corner. Nice space.
That one's garden.
Wow. Looks like abandoned. No one's staying there. This one also nice. Here. Alright bro.
Dude, like these places aren't even like near a train station or anything.
Yeah.
Turn left, then turn right onto Orphan School
Alright, so finally, nasa ano din tayo, nasa private na cycle path, no? Wala na tayo sa daan kasi ano mga Bisdak, hindi komportable na magbike sa daan. Siyempre, pangalawa, first yun sa safety natin kasi mayroong mga sasakyan. Pangalawa, ayaw natin makadisturbo sa mga nagda-drive ng kotse kasi yan sila careful din yan sila na hindi makasagasa ng cyclist. Kaya so yung gagawin nila, they're gonna slow down so makakaistorbo tayo. So ngayon, cycle pathway na naman to. Alright. Look at this mga kabisdak.
In 1 kilometer turn left.
Alright, tanaw. Walking Dead, bro. There's a lot of zombie. Huh?
What's this?
Zombie.
Wow, man.
Oh no. Ah, my goodness.
Yeah, that's scary.
Zombie world. Walking Dead. Right. Let's continue. Oh wow. All right. So maganda tong cycling namin mga set no kasi aside sa malayo siya yung cycle path ang daming paliko-liko so mas enjoy siya I think we're near sa malapit na tayo sa Canlevale.
Wow.
Nice view.
Again, I think that's for flood purposes over here as well.
Yeah. Yung meters para sa flooding mga Bisdak.
All this would be a spot.
Kasi pag lalakas yung ulan,
There's a heavy downpour.
puno to dito sa tubig.
Soccer.
Alright, continue. Let's go bro.
Alright, go. Get that down here, William.
Alright, let's go. Woo! Oh!
In 1 kilometer, turn slide right onto clear paddock creek shared path.
Grabe. Medyo mataas to mga Zag. Itong lugar na to I think naka 1 kilometer, more than 1 kilometer na ganito. Ganito yung view, itong daanan. So 6.5 kilometers.
6.5 k's left.
Yeah.
6.5 k's to go. I like that.
6.5. Last weekend, I think we went back home around 10, right?
What was that?
Last weekend, I think. What time you reach home? 10:30?
Yeah. I think we're at St. John Park.
Hi. Nandito na tayo mga sa isang side na to.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Liverpool Parramatta T-Way shared path.
Five kilometers, bro.
Left the old 5 kilometer breath. Amazing.
5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. So yung ano, medyo mahaba. So, hi, morning. Medyo mahaba yung direction natin ngayon, which is good. We're getting better every weekend, Wazak. Napakaganda. So para sa akin, Wazak, pag i-compare ko siya sa basketball activity ko, mas grabe yung exercise ko sa biking. Kasi sa basketball, mga Bisdak, especially pag hindi liga, naglalaro na kami, pag napapagod ako, which is sobrang dali ko mapagod ngayon kasi napakabigat ng tiyan ko ito. Yung gagawin, hindi ako babalik sa isang court. So halimbawa nasa isang ring ako, yun, hindi na ako tatakbo. Yeah, yo.
You know what this building to our left is?
What?
I don't know, I'm asking you.
It looks like car park.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Yeah, car.
Middle of nowhere.
Yeah. This is a matrix. Yeah.
The Matrix. Heard that term being used a lot lately.
Turn left onto Liverpool Parramatta T-Way shared
Look at that. We can do fishing over there.
Nah, man, I don't
There's
think
a-
you want that fish.
We can get.
Get heavy metals in that fish. Looks like there's a mosque over there. Is this Bollywood?
Where? Oh yeah. Looks like a mosque. No, it looks like a mosque, right?
Looks like it, but I think there's a church next to it. I think it's Bollywood.
Just over there.
A Catholic church.
I think it's like one of the Asian ones, maybe like a Korean one. I'm not sure.
It's a interesting place then.
Yeah, I used to go to that mosque before. Back in 2006 to about 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, Bollywood mosque.
So sabi ni Kinan, itong side na to, Habsdak, mayroon daw mosque kasi dito siya nagsisimba. Then yung katabi ng mosque, mayroon daw simbahan. And then
Yeah, so
temple.
on your left, Ian, it's
Yeah.
a Turkish mosque as well, so the Turkish people run that one.
Yeah, Turkish mosque. Dito, Muslim church, tapos mayroon din ang Christian church. So interesting, magkatabi. Tapos mayroon din temple. Oh, very nice. Dito. Yeah, bro, I can see a Christian church, bro. There's a cross.
There's a church right next door.
Interesting. Just right next to each other. Ito, parang siyang baseball, soccer field. It's a soccer field. Whew! Alright. So we are 3.9 kilometers away, mga kabisdak. Malapit na. Grabe. Ito yung pinakamalayo na bike ko, mga kabisdak. No? So around 40 to 50 kilometers kasi naligaw pa kami. So let's i-average up na to into 45 kilometers yung na bike. Sobrang layo, grabe. Nalala ko if yung sa lugar namin sa Cebu, sa Bugo, yung Bugo to Cebu City 100 kilometers kasi yun. So nakakalahati, grabe. So nakakalahati kami galing sa bahay ko sa Bugo. Siguro nasa umabot kami ng kalahati. Okay, so halfway highway to dito mga Bisdak, pero malapit na kami. Right. Elizabeth Road to siya. Itong kalsada na to, itong binabaybay namin, Elizabeth Road. Malapit na tayo sa Cecil Hills Boundary. So yung mga Bisdak mo. Alright, let's go. Uphill mga Bisdak. Patayin ko muna ang vlog. Take a photo bro. Grabe.
What an uphill component, man.
So alright, let's go.
Let's go.
At least downhill. Grabe, napagod ako. Yun yung pinaka taas na yun yung pinaka taas na uphill mga Bisdak na bike ko. Grabe, sobrang taas. Buti na lang ito din downhill. So 2 kilometers. Sobrang lapit na. At alam nyo ba Bisdak, kung diretsahin natin to, papunta to siya Pinrit, no? So sobrang layo na bike talaga namin, no? Ito yung pinakamalayo, pero napakagandang experience. Alright. Woo! Garage sale. Just go straight, bro. Go straight. Grabe. So sobrang lapit na namin mga Jack, 1.5 kilometers, no. So overall, ano yung mga Jack, overall na experience namin, napakaganda kasi iba't iba yung challenge na nadaanan namin sa biking dito. Merong uphill, dumaan kami sa Fairfield doon, which is doon kami medyo na slow down sa Fairfield. Ang daming suburb naming dinaanan, paliko-liko, magandang bahay. Dumaan kami sa gilid ng creek, river, park. Tapos yun, hindi ko alam kung ano makikita natin dun sa Cecil Hills banda, pero parang creek lang din, river, wala masyadong view. So let's see. Pero yun mga Bisdak, no, sobrang salamat na sinamahan nyo ako sa kami ni Kinan sa pagsacycling. At check nyo din yung YouTube channel ni Kinan mga Bisdak. Marami siyang video or vlogs doon na upload. Yung version niya kasi nagba-vlog din si Kinan, no. So meron tong Tagalog version tsaka English version yung cycling namin.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Go.
Turn left here.
Yeah, go inside.
Alright.
Yeah. Turn left tayo dito mga Bisdak. Alright. Woo! We're almost there. 800 meters na lang mga Bisdak. So ano to? What's this? What's that? So ito pala yung nasa ilalim mga Bisdak, no, ng grass nila. So ganito pala, para walang damo ba na yung mga malalaking damo, mga weeds. Ganda ng mga bahay. Ganda ng mga bahay ah. Wow, very nice. Nice property, nice area here. Nice suburb. Kaso lang, para malayo sa train station. So, dapat ano,
Turn side left onto Lancaster Avenue.
marunong ka mag-drive kag punta ka dito. Bro, I think yeah, turn left bro. Turn left. Yeah, go there. Lancaster Avenue here. Alright. Wow, nice. Wow, ganda ng mga bahay. Wow. Nice suburb, bro. Yeah. Look at this house. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Ang ganda ng view. Looks like in a movie. Look at how they maintain their lawn. Look, very trim. Ganda. Wow. Look at this. I think rich people live here.
In 200 meters at roundabout.
I like to stay here, bro. Can we buy a house here?
Lancaster Avenue.
Maybe 1.5 to 2 million. Right? 1.5 to 2 M. Ganda ng mga bahay. Look at these houses, mga kabisdak. So hopefully nag-enjoy din kayo sa nakikita niyo mga kabisdak, no? Ito mga bahay oh, dito.
Take exit 2 onto
Ganda ng mga
Lancaster
bahay.
Avenue.
Easy. Runabout, bro, turn right. I mean, go straight. I mean. Oh yeah. Wow. Convenient for their. They have a nice that area that.
Nice housing, connects to Elizabeth Drive, and,
And
you've
there's a
got
sound.
Woolies right
Wow,
there. That's so
perfect.
easy.
That's life. I remember like Catherine, our manager. She lives in a place like this one, like Project Village.
Oh
And
yeah,
then there's
sure.
a-
yeah, that area.
There's a Woolies.
Dude, this is Liverpool City Council. Far out.
Liverpool.
We moved a few councils.
Cecil Hills, Liverpool City. Huh?
From Cumberland to Fairfield, and now Liverpool Council.
Yeah.
That's 3 councils in a
Vlog
day.
to vlog.
Vlog to vlog, damn man. Alright, lead the way in.
Okay, continue. We're here, bro. Should we go there?
It's over here.
Huh?
I think this is
Turn right onto Clementina Circuit, then arrive at destination.
All right. Okay.
Oh, dude, snakes have been sighted in this area.
Oh, snakes have been sighted in this area. You want to check what's in there?
Nah.
So let's
Yeah,
go.
so there you go, snakes have been sighted. So I think let's just go
Let's
around
just
here.
have-
first.
Hi. Morning. Good. Ah,
Yeah, so I think we can go around that where you wanted to go, around that way over there. So maybe just loop it that way. Oh no, up here, just down there. It's not just about the destination, it's also the journey. Ian and myself were definitely very sort of like on the fence whether or not we'd even do this track today, but we did it. And we're forever richer from it, man. We've tested ourselves to new limits of fitness. So excellent work. We'll have a tea here, and that's it.
lots of people were.
They're just walking around.
jogging.
So we can probably just go around.
Yeah, let's try because we're here already, so that we can.
Might as well.
Yeah, alright, so continue natin dun mga kabisdak. Hello, morning guys. Hello, good, cycling around. Alright, so dandahan tayo dito mga kabisdak kasi maraming tao na nag-walking, early morning walk. Napaka-sweet na matatanda dun mga kabisdak, no? Holding hands while talking. Alright, so morning! Biking din siya, so cycling din. Alright. So, napag-isipan namin ni Kinan since na andito naman kami at malayo-layo to. Explore na namin to mga Bisdak, itong gilid ng ng river. Ano yung makikita natin dito? Oh, look at the houses, bro. Just beautiful. Siguro nasa mga 2 million yan, 1.5 to 2 million. Especially na yung harap nila is walang ibang property. Pero yung marami din snake galing dito sa river or sa creek. Kasi merong naka-warning, kalagang warning dun. Snakes have been sighted on this area. Oh yeah. We can have our coffee here, bro. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll do it. Yeah.
Yeah, just here. I'll just stand here.
Excellent.
It's a good thing that we decided to come here and we can see this one. Oh, alright. Napakaganda. Another view over there.
It's a 360
Alright. Itong bike ko mga ang hirap nito. Wala siyang walang bike stand. So kailangan ko siyang ilagay dito ganyan. Alright. Whew. So tired. Good job, bro. We made it. Good job. Ito yung Bisdak.
bird over there coming close there.
It's good that we decided to really come here for the coffee.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful view. Much better compared to here. Na-remember niyo Bisdak, meron kami remote control na laruan ni Gian na speedboat. Ang ganda dun. Ganda dito. Maglaro. Kasi lang may snake pala May snake dito. Merong sighting sa ipakita ko lang sa inyo mga Bisdak yung makikita natin dito. Alright. Yun. Right. Whoa! Sobrang sarap. Sobrang refreshing. Sobrang refreshing sa utak mga kabisdak itong ganito. Especially early morning. And then yun nga mga Bisdak, nabanggit ko kanina, wala akong masyadong buhay Australia vlog pa. Kasi to be honest mga Bisdak, I'm just being transparent lang. Dumating din sa point na parang napapagod ako mga kabisdak sa pag-vlog, to be honest, kasi ilang years, 4 years na nag-vlog continuous, tapos yung upload ko consistent talaga ako sa pag-upload every week, either 1, 2 or 3 videos. Kaya yun, dumating sa point since November mga kabisdak, dahil din kasi nagka-problema kami personally, yung family ko sa Pilipinas, yung mama ko na-aksidente, and then nabisi ako sa trabaho, kaya hindi ako nakapag hindi yung buhay Australia, nag-time out ako So yun nga, sabi ko kay Ami na I think gusto ko na mag-stop sa vlog. Tapos yun lang, pareho kami ni Ami na inisip din namin na kayo mga Bisdak, yung mga subscribers na yun na napamahal na din sa amin, na hindi namin kayang iwanan. Kaya yun, kaya kung napansin nyo yung upload ko, mga cycling nga kasi gusto ko mag-cycle kasi yung chan ko sobrang laki. And then minsan nakabalik na din ako nakabalik na ako sa pag-vlog sa buhay Australia. So yung meron talaga moment na ganun mga Bisdak na akala mo magi-give up ka na sa isang bagay. So okay lang yan mga Bisdak. Na-realize ko na okay lang magpahinga. Kasi nakakapagod, lahat tayo napapagod, lahat ng bagay nakakapagod. Lahat napapagod ka talaga mga kabisdak, kaya okay lang magpahinga ka. Take a break, mag-post ka sa ginagawa mo. Pag ka na, masyadong stress ka na, mag-post ka, take a break, baguhin mo yung mga scenery mo, yung mga ginagawa mo, yung mga daily activities mo, baguhin mo, and then take a break. And then pag ready ka na, move forward, and then yun. So yun lang na-share ko lang kasi yun nga, kung napapansin nyo, wala ako masyadong buhay Australia na vlog, yung regular na nakikita nyo sa channel namin. So salamat ulit mga Bisdak na sinamahan nyo kami sa aming vlog ngayon. So hanggang dito lang mga Bisdak, at magko-coffee muna kami ni Kinan. Ito yung mga bike namin. Alright bro, so let's have our coffee.
Yep.
See you sa next vlog mga Bisdak, bye bye.
Alright.
So meron tayong bonus episode mga Bisdak share ko lang itong ito yung namin, meron kaming pangpainit hot water. Si Kinan yung may dala nito, kaya may dala na mga kape, meron kape, tea, mga biscuits, lahat yan. So yun mga Bisdak. Alright. What are you doing bro?
Just getting the camera angle up. Yep.
You know what? You need to buy like a handle for the GoPro. Then you can attach on this one here, bro.
Yeah.
That we can put here. Here.
Oh yeah.
Like
yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So that at least, for example, if we're parking or somewhere. All right, let's make our coffee.
Yeah, let's have the coffee. So as you can see, this type instant,
Yeah.
very rarely, dude. You know, the last time I had instant coffee was when my, wife gave birth, so I had it at the hospital.
in a vending machine.
Yeah, no, they did they have like the little canteen there. Not the canteen, sorry, the little kitchen where the husbands and stuff wait.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Ganda.
And get it right in here for the Kenji as well.
Yung kahoy mga Zach, yun nasa harap. Maraming birds.
Do you want some more hot water, dude?
No, really good. No, I like this one. I like this one. Yeah.
And there you guys go. Your nice instance over here.
Look at Kinan's.
Yeah, take a look at that. Get that coffee shop in the morning.